assuming that you got a new man. I don't know why everybody think Lil T is a freak. I really want more kids. You miss being in a relationship. You prefer your vibrator to just get it out the way. You're from the hood, but not the hood.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could.
Hey boss boos, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tierra J here, and y'all can see we back for another week. Slay. In this video, I'm gonna be responding to y'all assumptions about me. We'll also be installing this wig. Okay, this is the main event. Shout out to WowAfrican for sponsoring today's video and sending us over our wig for the day. They sent us this beautiful thick body wave wig. Y'all, I'm so here for it. Y'all will see the slayage through this video. And I wanted to show off this HD lace. Like, y'all can already tell which one is the HD lace. Literally invisible, literally just melts so good into your skin, and that's what WowAfrican is giving to the girl. HD. Y'all make sure to click those links down below in that description box to get your hands on one of these wigs. Let's go ahead and jump into this wig slay, these glam curls, and let's go ahead and jump into these assumptions because y'all definitely had them for me, so go ahead and stay tuned. Hey girl, I'm ready to get cute. I'm feeling pumped today. I'm ready to throw this wig on my head. I'm ready to sip it up, talk it up with y'all. I'm ready today, girl. I got my wig, I got my water, I got all my assumptions that y'all sent me on Instagram. Thank y'all so much for sending me y'all assumptions. I kind of like skimmed through them and they are all like really good. So we about to go ahead and jump into it. Assumptions about me while I get cute, while I sip on my water, you know what I'm saying? Okay, y'all, we about to jump straight into it. I'm about to just do my I just like to get bright like that. We just gonna start with my spray ball cap. I'm just using the free spray to lay it on down. Lay it on down. Damn, I blew it out like that. Just gonna clip up this little braid back here, and honestly I like doing ponytails with my spray ball cap because it just lays down better. Like my braids, they be getting fuzzy. It's just like a cleaner foundation, smoother foundation. So yeah. Okay, so y'all have seen me do my spray ball cap, so same old, ain't nothing new. We gonna get into these assumptions, okay? I know that's what y'all here for. Y'all, I'm a little nervous. This is my first time doing a video like this, so tell me if y'all want like more of these or whatever, because I don't know. Oh, I would be cute with blonde hair. So anyway, I asked y'all to send me some assumptions on Instagram, and y'all gave it to the girls. Okay, y'all gave it to them. So we're gonna go ahead and try to dig into as many as I can. I did get a lot, so we probably have to make a part 2 to this, but a lot of y'all said the same thing. We gonna get to that one. Because I want to know why y'all think that about me. I am K Renee. Hey girl. She said you're only friends with people who have a big platform or got something going for them. Now it's not like a preference, like I only can be friends with you if you got something going on for you, but I will say that all of my friends got something going for themselves. Like my friends are lit. Honestly, that's just the kind of energy like that surrounds me. That's the energy I attract. Like all my friends do got something going, but honestly, like most of my friends don't really even fool with social media. Like I'm honestly friends with a lot of low-key bitches. Like they don't even be on Instagram like that. So, okay, it's Vicky. Hey, Vicky. She said, you're a strong ass mom, but you low-key miss your ex's help. That's an interesting assumption. Hold on. Let's get into these bands and everything in this wig first. WowAfrican came through for the girls. Very sturdy quality. I love WowAfrican. Like, this is one of those top tier brands, so go ahead and jot it down, girls. Jot it down. The best quality, they're always nice and full. Like, look at that here. all the way to the end. Just those bands. And oh, I forgot to blow dry this. Why don't you tell me? Okay, we're gonna go ahead and set this wig. Did I cut the combs out? Oh no, hold on, I gotta cut the combs out. Okay, boom, I'm back. Cut the combs out. And now we just gonna slide it on. But to answer your assumption, Vicky, I would say no. Like, of course, it's easier, like, you know, when two parents, it's a two-parent household. Of course, like, you got help, period. Like, being a single parent is definitely more hard work. But I will say that I'm finding my new groove. Like, you know what I'm saying? I'm celebrating and I'm welcoming, like, my new life. And I don't look at it as, like, ugh, like a drag, like, oh, I missed that. I just look at it as, like, a new adventure, like a new journey. And I find so much, like, joy in it. So, you know, nah, I can't say that I miss it. Got my alcohol. We about to get this melt popping. And _𝐷__𝐷𝐿𝐴, hey girl, she says that you live life without regrets. Without regrets. Do I live life without regrets? I think I do. You know, I don't know, sometimes I be regretting stuff and I be like, damn, Tierra, like, why would you do that? Amber_Nisha says, seems like you've unlocked a new level of bad bitch vibes. Period. That's all I gotta say to that. Teresa Harris, hey girl, hey. I assumed you and Deer would do a collab, cause, wait, please do, wait, what? I can't read. I assumed you and Deera would do a collab. Please do, cause that would be epic. I would love to collab with Deera. She is a boss bitch doing her thing. Like, I'll be seeing her and she is just so much inspo, like, yeah. Shit, what the fuck is y'all doing? Okay, Love Janae said you're too nice, and girl, you right about it. You right. I'm too damn nice. Oh my god. But I feel like I'm learning how to be mean. Like, everybody have told me, like, a lot of Aries are like mean, and I can see what they mean by that now, because I got to a level where it's like, you get to a point where you just can't be nice no more. So, oh my god, I forgot to adjust my bands. My sister said, I assume that you are ugly. LOL. JK. _all things Bree, hey girl, assuming that you got a new man. Y'all assume that I got a new man. Is that what y'all think? Is that what y'all really think? I ain't got no man, sis. Okay, Melanin_drips. Hey, Melanin drips. She said, so a lot of y'all had this same assumption. I don't know why everybody think Lil T is a freak. Rightfully so. But listen. I would consider myself to be a freak, but I'm not a freak. Like, honestly, to be completely real, I feel like I am just now really tapping into my feminine, divine, okay, you know what I'm saying, yoni power, like my goddess strength, my energy. I'm really just now tapping into that with myself, with my spirit, with my sexuality, my sensuality, all of that. It has opened my eyes to the freak in me. It is opening my eyes to the freak in me. Honestly, I wasn't comfortable, like, with sex for a long time. Like, I have sexual trauma from my childhood, and for a long time I didn't even realize it, like, through me being a teenager and you know, even as an adult, like, I was very uncomfortable. Freedom_fighter_2.0 assumes that I really want more kids. Honestly, the me right now says no, but I do feel like it'll be a me later on down the line. Like, if it's meant for me, to, like, have a family and, you know, do that whole thing, like, for real, then yeah, I would want, like, one more kid. But if it ain't meant for me, if I'm gonna be, you know, my kid's gonna be grown and I'm gonna be solo traveling in my van, I welcome that too. But it's just, you know, it's just whatever way my life is gonna go, whatever is meant for me will be. So those, I would say, are my two like life plans of if my life go this way, or if my life go that way. Kids or no kids. So y'all, this hairline is a little wolfy, and I cut a little bit too much off over there, so I gotta go in and plug. That is one thing about like high density wigs. Normally the hairline is gonna be more dense too, meaning that, you know, it's just gonna be more thick because it's more hair there. It's a thicker wig, so most of the time you're gonna have to go in and do some plucking, even if it's a pre-plucked wig. So Black Girl Rocky, hey girl, she said, I'm getting the vibe that you might be bi, or is it just me? I actually talked about this in my girl B's video. We did like a truth or drink, so y'all can go watch that. I mean, it ain't nothing like a bad and it ain't nothing like some good. So I mean, why not just have them both? Practical fitness 24/7. Okay, get your fitness in. They said you miss being in a relationship. No, but no, I'm just not trying to do that with my life right now, and it feels good. Like, feels good just doing me and, you know, having my fun, and that's that. Relationships are honestly a lot of work. Like, you gotta be there for somebody else's feelings. You gotta, you know what I'm saying? It takes like work to live with another person, to communicate with another person. Like, oh my god, I'm getting anxiety just talking about it. I don't know, I think it's some people that might be meant for relationships and some people just might not be, and I'm discovering maybe I'm just not meant to be. Like, maybe that just ain't for me. Netta J 444. First of all, 444. Okay, she said you grew up hip rolling to Godzilla, and bitch, yes, you won. You couldn't tell me shit with my hip roll. I'm gonna read another one of hers because she sent me a lot of good ones. You prefer your vibrator to just get it out the way. Actually, no, I prefer both. Get it all out the way. Can I get that combo? On me _ Miss Royalty said, when you were younger, I thought you were super quiet. What? That is the first time anybody has ever thought I was quiet. I feel like I have always just been okay, maybe when I was like a kid, I feel like I was a good kid. Like, me and my sisters, my mama raised us good. Like, we had good manners, and you know, I feel like we was good kids, good decent wholesome kids. Was in church every Sunday. Honestly, once I was in like 5th grade, that's when I started, you know what I'm saying, wilding out. So that is a funny assumption because nobody has ever assumed that I've been quiet. I'm trying to figure out how I want to wear this wig. Do I want to do a side part? I have been doing the middle part for a little bit. So I'm thinking about rocking a side. Oh yeah, I think a side gonna be cute. Y'all know I'm going in with my sister's mousse. Keep it neat and sleek. That's gonna be cute. Give me a deep ghetto part. Yo. Oh yeah. Oh, good wigs make me want to sing a song. This is so cute. Talia Marie said, you're from the hood, but not the hood. Listen, sis, you right about it, because one thing about my mama wasn't no hood, you know what I'm saying? She like wanted the best for us. I mean, we grew up in Flint. Flint is what it is, like, you know. But one thing about my mama, she kept us moving, and not for bad reasons at all. My mom, she was a hardworking single mom, like working, going to school, and she did that thing for us because when one area would get bad, she would just move us to another one, trying to put us in like the best environment. Like the street we grew up on, I will never forget, it was a drive-by shooting. Like, we was having a whole block party, everybody out there laughing and eating, and we just having a good time, and then people come down the street, it's kids outside and everything. People come down the street, just pop, 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 pop. And my mama got us up out of there so quick. So we moved to a better neighborhood, and then that neighborhood started getting bad. Like, you know, people started shooting. It was a lot of, you know, things going on. So my mama got us up out of there, and that's what she would just keep doing, trying to help us progress, and I love my mama for that. Passion Temperature said you cannot cook. Oh my goodness, do y'all assume that about me? Do I gotta bring Lil T's kitchen back? Small_circle said you want to move back home. So I be missing home, but I don't be missing Michigan. Like, I just cannot deal with the winters no more. I just feel like it wasn't good for my health. Like, I would get depressed in the winter for some reason, and I just was like, no, I can't do that no more. But you know, my life is an open book. I always like play around with the idea of like buying property in Michigan so I can have like a summer home. So yeah, you never know, I might move back home, I don't know. So we just gonna sit and let this melt for like 5 to 10 minutes. And let's jump into some more of these assumptions. It's getting juicy. Ha! My other sister said that you a real ass bitch, give a fuck about a nigga. And that's on period. She already know what the fuck is up. Jasmine Cherie said you're an introverted extrovert and you're super nice. Low-key, Jasmine, you kind of right. I think I am an introverted extrovert. Like, I feel like I'm mainly an extrovert, but there are times where I need to just like seclude myself from people. Like, you know, I don't want nobody in my space, and I just have to like be on my own. So I think you're right. Y'all, this lace, this HD lace is looking so good. And I'm gonna just slick my edges with edge control today. So Claudia K assumes that my body count is less than 3. I don't think y'all ready for the Lil T story time. Like, when I say I was a little wild, I was a little wild. All right, y'all, let's curl it. Oh my god. Oh my god. WowAfrican, that's all I gotta say. I don't even want to do nothing to this hair. It's pretty just like this. How they giving it to the girls over at WowAfrican. Definitely give her crown. She is a top tier unit. It's the quality for me. It's the hairline for me. Do you see the glare? Ow! Do you see it? Thank y'all so much for sending in those assumptions. I had a lot of fun doing this assumptions about me. We definitely gonna have to have a part 2 because I still have so many more messages in there. But back to this hair, y'all. I am obsessed with this unit. Like, I just feel super cute. Thank you once again, WowAfrican, for sponsoring today's video. Y'all make sure to click those links down below. If you are here for this unit, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below and subscribe. If you're not subscribed, come on and join the crew. We would love to have you. And I'll catch y'all in my next video. Peace out.